back to another vlog. I know it's been a minute since you've seen my face. I haven't posted shorts, but just haven't been vlogging. I've just been chilling, relaxing, and just enjoying life. But yeah, I just want to come on here and open up the vlog and say happy Tuesday. And I'm dwindling, just coming in a little bit, starting back on vlogging. But yeah, it's y'all. But yeah, let's get this day started. Today is Tuesday what, May 20th. You probably won't see this vlog till probably Friday, because I'm gonna do days in my life type of vlogs. So starting jumping it off with today, and then yeah, so I'm about to go to a couple stores. I need to get a couple of things, like little knickknacks here and there, like some snacks and toothpaste, mouthwash, that type of stuff like that. And I'm gonna take you all along. If I don't vlog in the stores, then of course, I'll give you a quick little haul. But other than that, yeah, let's get this vlog started, y'all. So our first stop is Kroger. We're gonna go in here real fast. I'm looking for those sour grape, like frozen sour grape. I'm gonna put a picture up here. It's called Riot, I think it is. I think they sell it in here, so I'm gonna go in here and see if I can find it. If not, I'm gonna go to Walmart because I want to try it out. And then I want to try that sherbet ice cream. They look like they in little coconuts, or like the actual peelings of the ice cream, of the fruit. So it's like coconut, strawberry. I'm gonna put a picture up of that too. I gotta find that too. Those are the two items that I want to try and see how it tastes. So yeah, let's go in Kroger and see if I can find what I'm looking for. So they don't have what I'm looking for, but I did find these smoothie bowls here. So yeah, I'm gonna try those out and see how they taste, because as if y'all been watching my shorts, y'all notice I've been working out, getting up every morning and having my time with God, of course, and then reading a little bit, working out. So I've been planning out my days that way, and by me doing that, it keeps me from procrastinating. So I'm guessing that's why I finally got the nerve to just get up and start vlogging today. So yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here because they don't have what I'm looking for. I'm gonna try Walmart, and then after that I may head to the at-home store, see what they have, and then head back to the house. And if I don't pick up the camera back when I get home, then I will catch y'all on tomorrow. As y'all can see, bags are secured. $89.77 later. I did get a bag of those dumplings a while back. Some dumplings went viral on TikTok, but they sell them in the bag now, which is not that bad, because the box itself for only 6 dumplings is like $5 now. So you get a whole 12-ounce, 14-ounce bag, I think, for $10. So you can't beat that, getting more. And for $5 more for more of them. But yeah, so I got a bag of those, some more chili oil, some chili sauce, sriracha, and all of that. You know how you mix it all together. When I say, if y'all haven't tried the dumplings with all of that on it and soy sauce, you're missing out. It's good. I thought I wasn't gonna like it the first time I did it a couple years ago, but it is so good. You should try it. But yeah, bag secured, and now we're about to head to Walmart. And since I got frozen stuff, we're not going to go to the at-home store right now. We may go a little bit later, and when I do, I will pick up the camera later on and take y'all along with me. So yeah, let's head to Walmart. All right, y'all, just got out of Walmart. Another $80 worth of stuff. So I got more of the things that I seen that I needed for like meal prepping for this week. I know it's Tuesday, yeah. I skipped yesterday because I ate at Subway, ate out. So still a healthy choice. But I'm gonna meal prep today, probably just for my meal for like tonight and dinner for tomorrow, and then breakfast for in the morning, something like that. Nothing too big and too crazy. I'm gonna share with you all what I'm going to meal prep today. But yeah, out of Walmart, about to head home, and I'll catch you back at the house once I start meal prepping. And again, we will still go out later on this afternoon to at home to see what they have in store for us. So we just got to the at home store, like promised. After the Walmart, I went home and I took a nap. It's now about to be, it's 3:50, so it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So we're about to go in here to at home and see what they have, and I'll show you some of the things, especially if they have anything interesting in here. I would definitely show it to you all. So I guess I chose the wrong day to come. They're having inventory count. So if you work in retail, you know you have these companies come out and count all your inventory in the store to make sure the counts are accurate and stuff. So every aisle has someone on it except for this aisle that I'm on. So we're about to just head home. Good morning, y'all. It is the next morning. It is now 3:45. I'm sitting out in the parking lot at work. Yes, I work at Target. If you're new by here, I've been here since 2017. But yeah, I'm sitting out here in the parking lot. We work at 4 o'clock in the next 15 minutes. So I'm just sitting out here chilling, relaxing. Everyone's starting to pull up. We're about to get in here and get into this truck and unload it. And if you're wondering, yes, we do come in this early. Store don't open, but yes, we come in at 3:30, 4 o'clock, depending on the day. And yeah, we got to get started. 3 people are here right now at the moment. But of course, you know, like in a job, you can't clock in too early. So we're just out here relaxing. Hopefully we get in here before this storm starts. We're supposed to have a storm starting at 4 o'clock, exactly at 4 o'clock, and ending around 5. So hopefully, well, 6 actually. So hopefully we can get in here just in time before it starts pouring down on us. But yeah, just want to get back out here and open up the vlog for the next day. And you'll probably see this vlog on Friday. I may end it tomorrow, or I may end it on the later on the day, but just want to come down here and say hi, good morning, and hope everyone is having a blessed morning this morning. I hope you said your prayers when you rolled over. I just said mine. And yeah, let's start this day today and being marvelous and great. All right, y'all, so I am back home. Well, I've been home for some hours now. Got off at 11:30. It's now, hold on, it's now 5:32. I took a nap. Okay, I was tired. But yeah, finally home. About to continue to thaw out these chicken wings here. They are all flat, so got them from Walmart. Gonna thaw these out, and then I'm gonna fry them up, and then make to eat with it. We're gonna have this skillet meal here, something quick, something simple, and straight to the point. No spending all that crazy time in no kitchen. And yeah, I just want to hop back on here and let you know I had made it home. And today was just a long morning. As you seen when I cut the video on for today, it was like almost 4 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, those are my days on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I still haven't gotten used to it, but yeah. Anyway, but yeah, just want to hop back on here and let you know I made it home. And I will hop back on once the chicken is thawed out, and we'll start cooking. And I'll just show you how I season it and what I use. You know, you can use whatever you want when you cook, but I'm gonna show you what type of seasoning that I use and how I season up my chicken before I fry it. But yeah, be right back, y'all.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when lose, when win. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, oh, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh, are you tryna leave? You miss, I said I dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance, don't worry about it, we just one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast, now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, oh. Excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh, are you tryna leave? How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say, oh, I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh, are you tryna leave? I said I'll dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah, you tryna leave? Oh, I saw that dance with you. Now I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie, you can understand. Y'all make the dance like this. Y'all make the bounce like this. You gotta know it was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Listen, wait me, bagel.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit happens.